If your screen keeps flickering black for a second with a notification saying your display driver stopped responding and has recovered, for example, this is not random, this is in a specific Windows safety. So it's going to be stopping this repeatedly driver crash loop for the actual good. So the first thing and most important is to check your GPU temperature, because overheating is the single most common cause of this exact error. And use a free tool like the HW monitor to check your GPU temperature during the normal use that you can be finding directly online. So if it's consistently above 85 or 90 degrees, for example, and usually it's going to be really important to clean the dust out of your case and fans before doing anything else. What I do is to go directly with someone that's specialized with computers and try to make like a really easily clean up from dust from your whole laptop or computer. So really important to take that in mind. Now do a clean driver reinstall. You can download a free tool that it is actually called Display Driver Uninstaller. This application, basically what it actually does, you can boot into the actual saved mode and use this to completely wipe your current graphic drivers. Then you can download and install the latest driver fresh from NVIDIA or AMD or Intel's website. So the next step that I can be showing you, just in case you want to try out this element, you can know a little bit more about the Display Driver Uninstaller down below in the description. So you can disable the hardware acceleration into your browser. Inside your browser, now that we are inside in here, I'm going to focus into my actual settings, and you want to search for the element that says hardware acceleration. That usually appears directly inside here. So depending into the current browser that you might be having, you might be seeing something like this. Use the hardware acceleration when available. So you want to disable this and then restart the browser. The browser hardware acceleration is a frequent specific trigger for this crash loop while watching videos or browsing, whatever. Then something else that we can do is to remove any overclocking. If you're overclocked your CPU, GPU, or memory, you want to reset everything back to default settings and test it again. So overclocked components are far more likely to hit the timeout that triggers this error. So I'm going to go directly to the right click. I'm going to focus once again for Task Manager. And I wanted to make sure that there's not a lot of applications that are consuming a lot of memory, CPU, or disk. So I select the element that is going to be taking a long, for example, a lot of CPU, which is in my case OBS, and go for end the actual task, or focus into the efficient mode that can be helping us to limit some resources used by the actual processes. Then, as a last result, you can increase the timeout detection and recovery value into the registry, giving your GPU more time to respond before Windows assumes it's crashed. So you can search online for the TDR registry fix paired with your specific graphics card brand for the exact same specific values, which in my case it should be Windows R, and type rated it and press enter. Navigate to this specific element and right click into the panel that says new dword. Basically these specific TDR can be helping us once again to prematurely resetting your graphic driver during a task, and in this case for game crashes or freezing, preventing all of these elements. So you can follow along this specific step. And well, if you've recently added a more powerful graphic card, you can confirm your power supply provider enough wattage for it, and underpowered GPU can behave exactly like a driver crash. So that's it. No more repeating driver crashes. If this fix is for you, let me know which step worked, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. You can let me know what happens into the comments below, or if you find another solution that it can be helping us, all of us, you can let us know once again in the comments below. Thank you once again for watching, guys. See you next time.